Hello, welcome friends. Uh, my name is Shoaib, and I'm we are representing MSQ. Now, what I want to say is like we have a platform. What we have like recently built for a what we have recently built for the like for the prepaid card system, and probably now if anyone is interested, this is available for sale. So let me give you a brief about this product. So for now, like we have named this as a Swiftwork, but you can definitely change it. It's basically a virtual card. You can say like a virtual card redemption system. Okay, now this is the front page, and now what we are trying to explain is this is like a complete end-to-end application what we have developed. So first just let me go through all the front screens. So this is like we're just depicting some of the gift cards. Okay, now yeah, with this product we have interfaced the application works with Stripe, and it has a recurring payment system. So whereas like once the user registered for this like in this on this application, he will be billed monthly. You can decide your price like what you want to charge to your customers, and that's it. Now the next thing, well, like right now we have only introduced one plan, but if you want, we can also support a yearly plan or a quarterly plan also for your customers. Now these are the reviews what has been collected for this application, but yeah, we can change the reviews for your customers, and just like a slightly brief. Okay, now the reason for preparing this screen capture is like this application will be brought down soon, and that's the reason like we are looking for a prospective buyer who wants to buy either as a code or as a complete application. Okay, so in short, like what is gonna happen is like with this application you can create a card, you can send it to your customers, and then eventually uh, it also has the SMS system integrated, also the mailing system, all is there in place. Okay, and like we can just set up a new, this runs on the AWS, we can set up a new system for you on the AWS. Okay, so now let me first, okay, let me show you the registration. So this is gonna be the registration where you can enter your the first and then the last name probably. Okay, Shayab 007. Okay, I don't want to remember. Okay, let me do something really strong. Go next, do a strong password. I agree and do a submit. Okay, so now on the next page, what we do it is like we will just collect all the billing information, like this being the billing details, like our form. Okay, and then here will be the payment details. So like all the cardholder name, the credit or the debit card number, the expiry, and the CVC. Now this information will directly go and reside on the Stripe server. Okay, so the payment is powered by Stripe, and all like it's completely SSL secured. Okay. Now let me go back and just show you like how this application works in a nutshell. So I'll click on the login. So this is the test user what I have it right now. I'll do a login, and after I do a login, like these are the functions which will be available with your customers. So if you like, there will be like a super user. So that can be you or your company employee. And then eventually, when you start selling it, so the only difference is, as a super user or as your employee, they can only see the managed users and the new customers. And like when you log in as a normal, like a user or your customers, then only these options will be available, like the send card, the redeem card, the active card. Okay. And then the daily reports. In fact, the managed card, the managed user, and the new customer is only available with the super user. So now, I will just, with an example, I will demonstrate as like I want to send a happy birthday card. Okay. So I can decide on the amount, like how much I want to gift, or create a card with a value. So here it goes as like I'm just creating a card with $150. It has no expiry, and it's something like I have a walk-in customer whose name is Jack and Harry. Okay, and like he's sending this card to Mike. His name is Dorman. Okay, now we are gonna add the some dummy number at this moment, and then yeah, like it's like a Mike email address, gmail.com. Okay, and then like let's say an example. I am a hotel, so I am a MACD, and then if I am collecting this money, so basically this money will be collected by this from the sender. Okay, the sender can be like your shop or your customers. You can also gift this as a gift coupon. So now, like let's say an example. Let's assume that your name is Chris. Okay, so then your the payment like you're collecting in the form of cash, and then like this is just a message what you get it, and we will just collect this. I'll just let me save this, Control C, and then yeah, okay, and then I do a send card. So now this card is out. Okay, so eventually right now, yeah, there is a SMS interface, and once like this card is out, so the customer will receive a message. Okay, and this is how he will see his the card, like what we just created. We added the balance, and now this is the card number assigned. So it's basically the mobile responsive. So this is how this is gonna look on the iPhones. Okay, so now I will just come next, and then yeah, so what happens next is the customer went like walks in. Even like if you see any defects, yeah, this can be fixed, don't worry on that. So in principle, now like the customer has received the SMS, and like let's say an exam, for after 5 days he just walks in. He walks into your shop, and then he just presents you this card. Okay, so you can scan this. If you have like a barcode scanner attached, you can directly scan this barcode, and then eventually you will get this number, or else like you can also type it manually. Okay, so now I'm going to do a retrieve. So now this retrieve, this says like the card has the base value of 150, and still like the balance is 159. So now you can decide like the uh, mm, now let's say like if you have the customer is just like eating for $10, and he don't want to he wants to do a partial redemptions. So you can enter this amount. So like okay, let's redeem. So this was a uh, f- bill for pizza, and then let's do it in this way. So 1 2 3 4 5, and I click on a redeem. So now this is registered, and you have just seen like now the balance amount is 140. So the customer can walk in at times. Okay, this we can have like in number, like you can just have a multiple revenue models. So say like the first one is definitely like you take the cash and send someone as a gift, or you can also do that as like basically you collect $150 and you give a value of 200. So the advantage of doing this is like you will get the cash upfront, and you will have a good and a longer loyalty by the customer. The customer is also happy, like he's getting an additional value. So it all depends like how you want to realize this platform. Okay, now this can have the multiple if you feel like next time they had a donor at your cafe, or else like yeah, let's go for donor. And then the bill number is bill for donor. And then yeah, like this sounds like pretty stupid, but I'm just entering one more. So now there are two redemptions. The the balance value is 120. Now the same is also reflected here. So now this is also one the base value was 150. Okay, and now this is also reflected here. Okay, so this is the complete end-to-end, and like here you can just see like how many active cards you have it. If you want to resend the mail or resend any systems, you can do that. Well, like okay, so now let me come back to the other thing what I want to show you. So we present like a default cards to the customer. Okay, now these are like we have just we have like agreed, once the customer loads, we only give them 8 default cards. But it's up to you, like if you say like let him have the unlimited cards, that you can do it. We also have some sales graph which is like pretty eye catchy, and we also give them the recent 5 cards sold. Yes, so this is the one what I've just used for the demo. Okay, so it looks good so far. And then yeah, so this has the endless opportunity, but only the thing is like someone needs to have a long-term perspective to run and maintain this platform. So initially, it you have to do your own market research, whether like this thing is gonna work in your area. If it looks okay, then uh, get in touch with us. So we will share our email details, and then probably if you want to take it further, we are happy to take it further. Okay, you also have the daily reports, so where let's say I just want a report from no, my to till 10th, apply. Okay, submit. So you can see like how the things are moving. But we can add the features, we can add some more features if you want. Okay, so get back to us. I guess like we are reachable on the email, and like this platform is also equipped with the chat plugin. So yeah, like your users uh, can say hello to you, and yeah, you can roll on your business. That's it. Okay, thanks for your time, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.